This is Japanese short grain rice. Look like this. I'm gonna wash and cook the rice, then make onigiri. I'm gonna cook 2 cups of rice. This is my 2 cups. I'm gonna wash it 2-3 times, then cook in the rice cooker. After I wash and drain out the water 3 times, then I add the water to the pot here to the level of number 2, because I use 2 cups of rice, and the water should be about 2, level 2. This is the rice cooker that I bought from Japan. If you have different rice cooker, you may read the instruction, follow instruction, depends on the rice cooker. Okay, I'm gonna close the lid here and just turn it on. Start cooking. 48 minutes. Okay, the rice is cooked now and it's ready to make onigiri. Look at this, looks good. Japanese rice for onigiri. Then I'm gonna wet my hand. Let's see, I'm gonna use this for the filling. It's kombu, Shio kombu in Japanese. I don't know what in English would say. It looks like this. Fujikko kombu, Shio kombu. I'm gonna use that for the filling, so it won't stick into my hand. So, okay. Gonna put this little bit inside. It tastes like salt. Form a ball like this, and then make it like triangle. I'm gonna use the Furikake, Japanese Furikake, to mix with the rice. I'm gonna use 2 packs. Mix with the rice and make a ball. Okay, I'm gonna use a little bit of the shio kombu. Okay, these are my onigiri, and I'm gonna use seaweed. I fold it in small pieces. So when we eat it, we just wrap it around. Like this. Wrap it around like this. Okay, this is my onigiri, homemade. I hope you enjoy and try to make it. Thank you for watching.